In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Notion in a simple step-by-step manner. This process is super handy for anyone trying to streamline their digital workspace by having their schedules seamlessly integrated. So let's dive in. To start, open Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a section titled My Calendars. Hover over the specific calendar you want to link with Notion. A set of 3 dots will appear next to it. Click on those dots and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Settings and Sharing. In the setting, scroll down until you reach the section named Access Permissions for Events. Here, you will need to enable the Make Available to Public option. Doing this is crucial because it allows the calendar to be embedded, which is necessary for our purposes today. Remember, this makes your calendar publicly visible, so proceed with caution and ensure that this is suitable for your privacy requirements. Next, continue scrolling down to the Integrate Calendar section. This is where you'll find an option to copy either the public URL or the embed code. Choose one and copy it. This is the link that will connect your Google Calendar to Notion. Now it's time to jump over to Notion. Open the specific page where you want your Google Calendar to appear. It could be a workspace dashboard, a planning page, or wherever you see fit. Here, you'll want to type the command embed directly into the page. After typing this, paste the link you previously copied from Google Calendar. Alternatively, you can paste the URL directly onto the page and select Create Embed when prompted. Once you've done this, you'll see your Google Calendar displayed right inside Notion. It's worth noting that the calendar will be in a read-only format. This means you can view all of your events, but you won't be able to make edits to them directly within Notion. Any updates or changes need to be made directly in Google Calendar. And there you have it, a straightforward way to access your Google Calendar within Notion. This integration keeps all your important dates and meetings right alongside your notes and to-do lists, creating an efficient workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, or if you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.